we are heading over there. Hi guys, welcome to Smith Sheth Winery. Smith Sheth focuses on producing limited quantities of high quality wines, emphasizing the concept of terroir, which reflects the unique characteristics of specific vineyard sites.
And so it goes Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, Chardonnay. So yeah, we're Steve Smith and Brian Sheth. That's the Smith and the Sheth.
Yeah.
So, we're more than that. First New Zealanders to get an MW, but he was the very first viticulturist in the world to get an MW. So, and he's been seconded to different government agencies to help in terms of what we're doing from a viticulture perspective and our environment and all those sorts of things. So Brian's American.
Yeah, he was like a really wealthy man, and the other guy was more like a brain, and yeah.
So similar kind of, I suppose, connection as the Peabody's, and then, you know, someone who loves wine, but doesn't have that channel of.
Yeah.
Our first wines were released in 16 from the 14 vintage. The original concept was just modern negociant, you know, by fruit. From Hawke's Bay and Marlborough, because we wanted to have Sauvignon Blanc in the portfolio. 22 Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc. We're just about to roll to the 23. 2 sites in Marlborough. One is a vineyard called Dillard's Point, which is Forest Estate, which is on the flats, very, very dry part of Marlborough.
Also, they are committed to sustainable viticulture and winemaking practice, striving to minimize their environmental footprint through organic farming and careful land management.
Yeah. This is what we know. This is bright, this is light, this is brooding, this is tight, this is tension, this is more seductive, I find.
The winery incorporates Maori culture into its branding and philosophy with the name Haretaunga, being a nod for the local Maori heritage. Also, they are committed to sustainable viticulture and winemaking practice, striving to minimize their environmental footprint through organic farming and careful land management.
Pinot Noir, 22 vintage Central Otago. So we bought this property called Loburn.
Finally, Smith and Sheth tasting are often educational, focusing not on the wines themselves only, on the broader context of viticulture, geology, and the influence of climate on the wine production. If you are a wine enthusiast, don't miss my next video, and if you'd like to hear the full story, drop a comment below and let me know.